Hey, I stopped to take a little break and clean up some tools and drain away all the ATF that I just drained out of the transmission. And I thought I'd clean up a little bit because I think I'm done dealing with fluids. And the next step is to actually drop the transmission. But I thought I'd take a second to show you a new thing that I'm trying out. Um, One of the big problems with a project like this, where you're taking lots of stuff out, you're touching a lot of bolts, is getting everything back where it belongs. All the nuts and bolts and whatever that you took out. So I'm trying something new. I got these little snack bags for the kids. We don't use a lot of them. We have this enormous box of them. So I thought I would take them and write on them. See if you can see that. Yeah, it says trans filter. Those are the bolts that hold the transmission filter in, and there's the filter. And we got one for the transmission shifter and sensors. These are the bolts that I took out that hold the transmission shifter bracketry in place and the sensors on the side of the transmission. Transfer case. These are four that I don't remember what I took them out of. And that's a problem. Which is why I started doing this. So we'll figure them out when I reinstall everything, I suppose. But at any rate, I just thought that was a fun little thing that I'm trying. We'll see how it works out. It should keep everything nice and organized for the whole project. And yeah, hopefully make things a little less headachy when I put everything back together. So